changing out these halogen bulbs. I think this is on an 18. This is on the 18 Nissan Altima. The halogen bulbs, we're going to be putting in these sea light bulbs to replace them. It's going to be a simple plug and play. We're going to pull the fender liner here on the side, pull the fender liner, and then reach in, grab the bulb, twist it out, and then go from there. So alright, I just want to show you guys, this is what it looks like before. And I'll show you guys the after with the new bulbs installed. Alright, so this is the bulb in here. Just hit the connector here, tab, press on it, pull it down, the connector comes right off. Then you take the bulb, turn it out, pull it out the socket, and that's it. Okay, put the old bulb out, take the new one here, the LED, pull the fender liner to the side. It's an H11. Okay, let me reach in, just put the bulb into the socket like so. So I'm gonna put the bulb in the socket and then, oh, there we go. Okay, so you see, it's as simple as plug in connector into the factory connector. Just plugs right in, and then you turn on the headlight to check and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then you just take out the socket again, and then you flip it around and then plug it back in again. So it's like, if it doesn't work when you plug it in like this, then you take it out of the socket and then you flip it around and then plug it in like that, and the light should light up, the LED bulb should light up. So right now I'm going to do the test right now to just check and see if the headlight turns on. And it works. Look at the difference. This is the new LED and this is the old halogen one. So right now I'm going to swap over the bottom also right now. The top looks great, so I'm going to swap over the bottom. So I took out the bulb, the bottom here, and I plugged this one in. So right now what I'm going to do is, this one's a little bit harder to get to take out because this box is in the way, but I was able to pull the liner to the side and reach in, and I was able to pull the liner and reach in and grab it. So I was able to get the bulb out the socket. So what I did was I just pulled the connector all the way to here and plugged in the socket for the bulb, for the LED bulb. And since this is plugged in, I'm just gonna check to see if it comes on with the headlights and stuff like that to make sure that it works. And if it doesn't work, then I have to take it out the socket and then flip it around 360, well, you know what I mean, flip it around so it'll work. All right, let me just write the video for you guys. All right, so it works. I tested it, it came on. These little upgrades to your car, especially if you get a newer car, these little upgrades mean so much. It just changed the whole look. You guys are gonna love what it looks like after I plug everything in. All the colors are gonna be matching. The headlights and the fog lights are gonna match, and everything's gonna be good to go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is slide this under here, plug that in, screw it into the socket, and that should be good to go because I already tested it to see if it lights up, and it lights up perfectly fine. All right, so the bulb is in the socket. The new LED bulb is in the socket. This fender liner, just gonna tuck back in where it belongs, back here. And right now I'm just gonna test it real quick, and I'm gonna show you guys the comparison of what this side is gonna look like and to what this side looks like. That side's already done, so now I'm working on this side. So this is what it looks like. So this is the regular halogen side, and these are the new LEDs that were put on the driver's side. The passenger side, look at the difference. Huge difference in brightness. Alright. So I want to finish up on this side. Since I did this side already, I'm going to do this side right now and show you guys the end result. So the way this tab works on this connector down here for the fog lights, the way this connector works for the fog lights, you have to push this tab backwards, not forward, to release it. You got to push it backwards to release the bulb, and then you pull the bulb out. So as you can see, the bulb is out of the socket down there. That's the fog light socket. There's another bulb above it, but that's for the daytime running lights. For that, you'll need a decoder for it, so it won't throw. The daytime running light is out on the dashboard if you're using an LED. So right now, what I'm going to do is, it's H11, the top and bottom lights is H11. So what I'm going to do is screw this one in, plug it into that socket, and then turn on the headlights again to just check to see if the light comes on. And if it doesn't come on, then I know I got to flip the bulb. Okay, and then that's it. Should be good to go. Turn on the headlights for you guys now that I finished up. And this is what it looks like. Look at that. It makes the car look way newer. And the same color top and bottom. Let me know what you guys think. Easy swap. I'll put a link in the description on the bottom of the video for these lights, the C light bulbs that I used for the top and bottom, so you could do the same upgrades if you want on your vehicle. And like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.